Whenever you're given a linear function, which is just another way to write a linear equation, and a table, you want to plug the number that they're giving you in for x. So instead of, I'm going to rewrite this off to the side. Actually, I'm going to come and do it over here. Negative 4x minus 5. The first one, I'm going to replace the x with a negative 1. Now when you replace it, you put it in parentheses. So then you multiply negative times a negative, that cancels each other out. Two negatives cancel each other out when you're multiplying. 4 times 1 is 4, and then you have take away 5. Well, 4 take away 5 is negative 1. So that's what goes there. And then you just do the same thing over and over again. So you're starting with the same function that they gave you each time. Now, when you have 0, 0 is special. It just means you don't have any x's, you have 0 x's. So you can literally just go ahead and, actually that's wrong, I'm sorry. I need to wake up. Let's plug that in. It means that whole thing is gone. So negative 4 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. Take away 5 is negative 5. Same function, we're substituting a 3 in for x. Negative 4 times 3, there's one negative here, but not another one to cancel it out, so it stays negative, and that's a 12. You have a negative 12, and then you have another negative 5. That's a total of 17 negatives. The next one, negative 4x minus 5 again, just the same one over and over again. This time I'm putting in a 4. So you're just doing this part first. Negative 4 times 4, there's not two negatives, so the negative does not cancel in that case. 4 times 4 is 16. You have a negative 16 and then another negative 5, so that's a total of 21 negatives. Over here, negative 4x minus 5. This time we're plugging in a 5. Negative 4 times 5 minus 5. Do the multiplication first. There's only one negative, so it doesn't cancel out. 4 times 5 is 20. So you have a negative 20 and then another negative 5. So that's a total of 25 negatives. Different function, same process. So I have negative 2x plus 5. I'm going to substitute a negative 2 into the parentheses. Whatever they give you over here is what you're substituting in. Two negatives cancel when you're multiplying. I'm multiplying first. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. On this one, negative 2x plus 5 again. This time I'm substituting a 0 in. But 0 times anything is just 0. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Negative 2x plus 5, let's substitute in a 1. Negative 2 times 1 plus 5. There's only one negative, so it doesn't cancel out. 2 times 1 is 2. Then you add 5. Well, this is like 5 take away 2 if you put the biggest number first. So 5 take away 2 is 3. And that one's done. Negative 2x plus 5, substitute in a 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 plus 5. Equals negative 3. If the signs are different, you find the difference, you subtract. So 8 take away 5 is 3. And then your answer takes the sign of the larger number. So the 8's larger, it's negative. That gives you a negative 3. And then one last one, I'll squeeze it in over here. Negative 2 times 5 plus 5. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 5. Again, the signs are different, so you find the difference. You subtract. 10 take away 5 is 5. The 10's larger, it's negative. That means you have a negative 5.